Good morning, I'm meteorologist Kevin Jeans. This afternoon we'll have temperatures around 89 degrees, hot and humid, but we have a chance of strong thunderstorms today. So we could see showers and even a few thunderstorms anytime from 10 a.m. through about 4 p.m. and could be some heavy rain in some of those storms, but a better chance and a greater risk of stronger thunderstorms and more severe weather will be from about 6 p.m. through midnight. So the late evening and into tonight, that's when we have a best chance of having the severe weather or stronger thunderstorms. So we'll keep an eye out through the early afternoon still. Could be some heavy rain and a few thunderstorms around 2, 3, 4 p.m. But we'll be more focused, I think, on the storm potential for later on tonight. So 6 p.m. to midnight, strong to severe storms are possible. And the potential impacts here, hail, winds, lightning, heavy rain, could be some localized flooding. Also not completely ruling out an isolated tornado. While the greatest risk will be hail and winds, can't completely rule out an isolated tornado either. So a chance of severe weather here Monday evening. Now looking at the futurecast through the morning, rain's advancing in, and so could see a few showers late in the morning. And then once we get into the afternoon, a couple of thunderstorms, and then we should see a break. It's tough to tell how long that break will last, but a break from the rain. And then later on this evening and tonight, we could see some stronger thunderstorms roll through, and a line of storms bring some real strong wind gusts and, again, heavy rain. And so severe weather possible from 6 p.m. to midnight. After midnight, the chance of rain starts to go down, and then tomorrow we'll be left with a few spotty showers in the forecast. So we're in the 80s the rest of the week, about 84 degrees Tuesday, 83 Wednesday, and a slight chance of rain each day all the way through the rest of the work week at least. Friday we'll have a 20% chance of isolated showers with highs around 83.